Hi there, Ish here from TAS. So, a lot of you have been using TAS bots for lead generation, right? And as a marketer, it is very important to know where our users are coming from because we could be using the same bot um, via email marketing campaigns on your website, on your social channels, via tweets on Instagram, maybe sharing it on your Facebook post or doing SMS or text campaigns as well, right? Now, these users could be coming from different channels, and you won't have an idea of which channel is actually converting for you. So there's an advanced or a hidden feature in TARS where which allows you to know or understand where where these users came from, whether they clicked on a bot via your email campaign or did they come through, when they were on your website and clicked on the bot and then came through. So this is what I'm going to explain, how basically you can track uh, the users that come on your bot, right? So let's start off. I'm going to just log into my account. This is one of my accounts, and I'll be able to see all my bots in here, right? Um, so I click on one of my bots, and so this is an already created bot. So this is my chat flow, and I've clicked on deploy, and this is basically the link of my bot. Now, if I share the same link on my email campaigns and use the same link as a widget on my website, I won't know where the user came from. So what I'm going to do is add a URL parameter or a UTM parameter at the end of the URL, and these could be anything. For example, here what you have to do is add a question mark at the end of your bot link, and then add any uh, tracking parameter to it. So for instance, here we could be adding campaign equals to email, right? So if I'm sending this bot as a link in my email marketing campaign, I would add this particular link. So if I just, enter this link again, so this is the link the user will be landing on. So what I need to do now is I'll just go through this particular bot once, right? So let's say, yeah, I'll be interested. Uh, okay. So my email is thanks. And now I'll be able to see this lead in my here. So you see here, this is an extra parameter that has come as a part of user response. If I change this to Facebook or to Twitter, this campaign would be the thing against campaign would become Facebook or Twitter. And you could just add any number of parameters on top of it. For instance, if you you already have someone's phone number and you don't want to know anyone, the user's phone number, and you already would know, you know this is the particular user who clicked on this particular URL. uh, you could add any number of tracking parameters as a part of this bot URL. So we'll just go through this, bot once again and see if we are getting the right response. So this is where I'm done. I should have received one more lead in here, and see, the campaign and the phone number is here. So you could add any number of URL parameters next to each other. You just have to just keep adding this ampersand sign here. And for instance, if you're doing an email marketing campaign and you don't want to ask the user's email in the bot, and you could just say and email equals to this, and you don't even really have to ask for the user's email in there. So this is a really powerful tool to understand, or where or which user is it, where the users are coming from, and we'll be able to track a lot more. So hopefully you'll find this useful. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.